So good morning everyone. Welcome to the third class of SolidWorks tutorial. Uh, today I will show you what I today I will show you the 3D sketch or 3D model of which is isometric view of the last sketch which is a 2D model which we have drawn in our class. So if you haven't seen the last sketch or the last video, please visit part 2 of SolidWorks tutorial so that you can do it better here. So firstly we have seen there was a base plate and the dimensions are I'm showing. So firstly, as I was shown, we have to first select the plane. I am selecting top plane, then sketch. As we are viewing the base plate from the top, I am selecting top plate, then line, and to make this line horizontal, just click on the line and horizontal. It will be a horizontal line, then escape. Then there was also then center line, horizontal, infinite line, then click on here. Now to make both upper and lower side similar, I just select this point, press Ctrl, select this point and then this line. So after that I have to just click on the symmetric tool. So now both upper and lower side will be symmetric to the middle center line, and I can give it a dimension of 9 plus 12 plus 9, so it becomes 30, and this dimension of 9, this 2 of 9, so middle part will be automatically S20. Now this dimension of 9. These all the dimensions are I have given in before. In the second sketch you can see all the dimensions. I will also upload a picture of the isometric view and 2D view of this sketch in the comment section. So I will now continue, and as you know there was a circle also here. Whose diameter was 30. Now this dimension is already given as 60, and now I will make this as a tangent, coincident or tangent. So now all sketches are black, all the lines are black. This means this sketch is fully defined. Now I will trim this entity so it will become a closed sketch, and I can now exit from this sketch. So this is the sketch and I have exited from here. Now go to features and extrude boss base. So I have given a dimension of 9 mm thick base plate, so 9 mm here, and then right click. So this is a 9 mm thick base plate which is shown in the sketch and which we want in the model. Now click on this sketch, click on this face and sketch. Now press Ctrl 8, so we can see this as a top view. Now this is the center of the previous circle, and we want an extrude in this upper side. So again click on circle, draw a circle of any dimension as you want. and smart dimension 30 because we want 30 as diameter. Now from here and this length should be 18 as given in dimension, so it is 18 now. Now with the help of trim entities, trim this. This has also become a close figure. Now escape, so we have escaped from the trim entities sketch. Now exit from here and extrude boss base. So we want the height as a so the height is directly not given, but the total height is given as 30 and the base plate height is 9. So we can calculate it as 30 minus 9. So it's 29. It will automatically calculate. So this is the sketch now, model now. And we also want a hole here. So first click on the face, sketch, Control 8. So we can see this clearly. Now draw a circle of given dimension, and the dimension given is, and the radius is 7.5. So the radius is 7.5. We can click at 7.5 plus 7.5, which is 15. I already know, but I don't want to calculate it. So just enter 15. Now exit from here, go to extrude cut and select from here through all. So we can say it is extrude through all, so it will cut all the part which is in between. Now right click, you can see a hole here. So after this we want a trap part here, so I don't rib part. So firstly I want a plane in the plane middle. In the plane I have to select this front plane, so front plane and Control 8, so we can see it as clearly. And I want a rib part here, so pencil, select this part, make it as a closed circle, close sketch. Now it's a close sketch, escape, and from here exit, and from here extrude boss base. And as it is a middle part, I want it on both the sides, so mid plane, I will select this mid plane. So here it is 21, so 10.5 will be on the left side, 10.5 will be on the right side, but I want total length as 7, so I will select it as 7. So 3.5 on both the sides. So this will be the sketch. Now to view it clearly, isometric view, I can press Control 8, Control 7, so we can view it clearly. So this is the sketch, this is the model of the sketch which we have drawn in second tutorial or second video. This is the isometric view, as it is also written here, isometric view at the down part. So if you have any doubt, please comment me. I will give the reply to each and every doubt which you have. So thank you, and I will be coming up with more models in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Please like, comment and subscribe my video. Subscribe my channel, and please share it as much as possible. I will do my best. Thank you. This is Bhavi.